If you want to build an audience, grow a professional YouTube channel, and become a successful YouTuber, just follow the tips and guidelines in this video. YouTube setup equipment. 1. Camera. Your camera should be at least 1080p. It will be helpful to look for a camera with flip screen. 2. Lavalier microphone. Sound is almost as important as video. Viewers will be pissed off if you don't have a clear sound or background noise. 3. Soft boxes. They are the best choice for creating clear lighting. Natural lighting works, but it can be tricky. 4. Halo light ring. You can use it instead of the softbox. The main advantage is that it's more affordable and takes less space. 5. Tripod. To control your camera. 6. Editing software. 4 best video editing software are Adobe Premiere, After Effects, Vegas Pro, and iMovie. Add graphics and media to YouTube videos. To improve the way your video look, there are a lot of graphics and media to add to your videos to produce professional quality visual effects. To differentiate your brand, you should create a high quality logo which will help to increase your subscribers and deliver the message of who you are and how can you help. The logo should be included in all your social media platforms' content. You will also need a YouTube video intro. This is a short video that normally acts as opening credits. It should be helpful to set the tone and welcome people to your channel. But don't overdo it. Just few seconds and nice music will do the trick and help to create the mood. You can also find free stock footage for YouTube. These are videos that you didn't create, but which you have permission to use. You may use reality-free images to illustrate points you're making. How to improve YouTube videos. Now, you want to know how to make a good video and how to improve the quality of your videos to get more views and subscribers. 1. Record lots of footage. Keep only the most exciting part and throw away the rest. You will find yourself trimming almost all of your videos, and this will give you more freedom and make the video editing process more flexible. 2. Create short YouTube videos. You want your viewers to get more from them in less time, and this means that they get a better experience and come away not feeling that they wasted their time watching your videos. 3. Choosing backdrop for YouTube videos. To create much professional content, it's very crucial to have a good backdrop. This will help you to sell your brand and vision. Don't use distracting backgrounds. Follow these steps, keep posting regularly, and ensure you enjoy what you are doing. Ultimately, you'll start to grow your YouTube channel and see your audience grow. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, smash the thumbs up and let's know what you think in the comments below. Build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel. Do that by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video so you don't miss a thing. I'll see you on the next video.